Hey everybody, this is Adam over at Jack Schmitt Ford Lincoln here in Collinsville. Today I'm sitting in a 2018 Ford Expedition. It has the Sync 3 radio system, and I thought I'd take this time to show you guys a little bit about how the climate controls work with Sync 3. We can start by first pressing this climate button here. Easy enough, all the climate controls come up, and as you can see, we've got lots of options to choose from. We'll start up here with the first button you see. This is the heated steering wheel button. If you press this, you hear it beep and you can see that this little red light comes on. That'll let you know that the wheel's on. Beyond the heated steering wheel, we also have automatic temperature control, defrost. This adjusts where the air is coming out. Here's your AC settings. We have rear AC settings here, fan speed. This button here, the power button, turns the entire system on or off. This dual button allows you to set the passenger temperature differently than the driver temperature. And then this section here is for the passenger temperature. This section here is for the driver temperature. You can see if we press the power button here, it will turn the system on. Both the driver and the passenger are both set to 70 degrees. If you'd like to adjust the temperature passenger independently, all you do, use the down or up arrow, and it will change the air temperature coming out on that side of the vehicle. In addition, if you want to adjust the rear air control, all you have to do, press the rear button here, and then it brings up everything for the rear climate. From your screen, if you look down here on the dashboard, you can see that everything is the same. This is all just physical button form. We have our driver and our passenger side air temperature. All these buttons here in the middle do everything we just talked about. Heated steering wheel, change the direction of the air. We have fan controls down here. And then on this side, we have the passenger cooled and heated seats. And then on this side, we have the driver heated and cooled seats. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos.